Okay. Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn the story The Golden Goose. Many years ago, there lived one magical goose. She was having golden feathers on her body. Near to that golden goose, there lived one family, and in that family, there were three people. Means one old woman, and that old woman was living with her two daughters. They were very poor people. That family was very poor because they were lived in a mud house with a creaky doors. Means that doors of that mud house was making sound like kar sound were making by that doors. So that family was very poor. So by looking all the situation of that family, that golden goose was feeling sad. So the golden goose decided one day that what if I give that golden feathers to that family every day, that family will become rich and that family will be able to live their life in comfort. So as according to her plan, that bird decided to give golden feather each day to that old woman and her daughters. Okay, so according to that plan, that golden goose entered into that old woman's house one day. Then the old woman asked that, "Hey bird, why you came here? I am a poor woman, I don't have nothing to give you." On this, the bird said that, the golden goose said that to that old woman, I don't want anything from you. I have something to give you. Okay, today I have something to give you. You don't have to give me anything. I will give you something. I will give you one of my golden feather every day. You sell that golden feather into the market and you will live your life in comfort. Okay. So accordingly, every day that golden goose was coming there in that old woman's house, and she was keeping one of her golden feather every day near her window. Okay. So one day what happened? That old woman called her daughters, and they was making conversation with each other. What was the conversation? The old woman said to her daughters that, "Daughters, we can't trust this bird because this is a bird. This bird will fly when this season will over. So we can't trust this bird so much. I have a plan." What was the plan? The old woman said that I have one plan. Let's catch that bird when next time that bird will come. Let's catch that bird. We will remove all the hairs from her body and we will become very rich for long time. Okay, but the younger one said that, "No mother, we can't do this because if we remove all the feathers of that bird will get hurted. Okay, that bird will hurt. So we can't do that." But the old woman never agreed with that. She was not ready to listen to her daughter. What that daughter was telling. She became greedy of that golden feathers. She wanted the golden feathers, more golden feathers she wanted. So that's why she never listened to her daughter. And after the end of that conversation, that two daughters was also ready to follow that plan. So according to the plan, when the next morning the bird came inside the woman's house, the woman, means that old woman, called that goose near to her or closer to her. Then the old woman catched or grabbed that neck of that golden goose, and she started plucking out, or she started removing all the feathers from her body. Okay, she strongly catched that bird. So that bird can't move here and there. The bird was shouting in a pain, but no one was there to save the life of that bird. But the one thing the old woman did not know, that if we from that bird's body against her wish, against that bird's wish, that golden figure will turn to white. It will never return to gold. It will turn to white. But that old woman did not know about that. Okay. But then when all the feathers plucked out by the old woman, the bird was shouting, but no one was there to save the life of that bird. The bird started fly away in the sky outside of her house. But now the bird was of golden, not of golden feathers. She was having now white feathers like a chicken, simple chicken. Okay. But at the end, when that old woman seen that, when the old woman and their daughters seen that now all the feathers turned to white and they were no any use for them, they started crying. They started crying by looking all that the golden feathers are turned into totally white. We cannot use that white feathers for a money. So they started crying at the end. Then at the end of the story, the old woman realized that how foolish or how greedy nature I have. I behaved such a greediness. Okay, I behaved in so much greedy. How that unlucky greed come to me. How I behaved like this, because every day one golden figure I was getting from that bird, but now due to my greedy nature, now I am unable to receive any of single feather now. Okay, so now we will become poor again, how we was. Okay, so here we completed the story. From this story we come to know that how that old woman becomes greedy. So this lesson this lesson also give us one important lesson in our life, that we should not become greedy in our life. We should satisfy whatever we are getting from anyone. Suppose if we are taking something from anyone, we should be satisfied, or we should make respect of that person. Okay, we should not become greedy. That how that old woman became greedy in this story. So the bird also decided that I will never come back to that old woman's house, and I will go to my house, my mother's house. Okay, so the bird also never came again back to the old woman's house. So in our life also, in our daily life also, we should take care of our nature. We should not become greedy as that old woman. We should behave like a golden goose, as the golden goose was ready to give golden feather to that old woman, old poor woman. Okay, so this lesson we can take, or we can understand in our daily life also. So this lesson is very important for you students. You should have the nature of golden goose, not like a old woman. Okay, so I hope you understood the video. I hope you understood the story. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you students. Bye bye.